In this video, I will show you how the Habit Now app can completely transform your daily routine and help you reach your personal goals. Staying organized is a real challenge for many of us, but this application makes tracking your progress incredibly simple and rewarding. When you first open the app, you will notice a clean and intuitive interface that focuses on your daily tasks. To get started, you simply tap the plus icon to create a new habit. You can choose from various categories like health, productivity, or fitness. One of the best features is the ability to set specific schedules, whether you want to do something every day or just a few times a week. The app also allows you to set multiple reminders so you never forget to complete your goals. As you check off items, the app generates beautiful charts and statistics that visualize your success over time. This visual feedback is a huge motivator because seeing your streak grow makes you want to keep going. It also includes a handy timer for things like meditation or studying. Overall, the app is a powerful tool for anyone looking to build better routines. If you want to increase your focus and stay consistent, Habit Now is definitely worth a try today.